Park here. You can buy this permit in any ranger station or sports store or even 7-Elevens near the mountains. This is the parking area.
Only half a mile into the hike, you will find these beautiful falls. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I did this hike on April 22nd, 2022, on Earth Day. It was already springtime, so probably the last chance of snow here in Southern California.
About 2.5 miles, you will get to this part where you start to see the lift for the ski resort up there.
In the description of the video, there's a link to a store where all of us buy. Make sure you click on them, whether you buy backpacking or hiking gear, or just regular shopping. I get a small commission from referring you to it. Thank you so much for your help.
I really hope that you're enjoying the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. This is Mount Baldy ski resort. During the winter time when it's more snow, and on the weekends it's open. You can come here and ski. Down there is the parking lot. We are at 3.5 miles in the ski resort, almost to the top of it, approaching the Devil's Backbone. Hopefully it's not too sketchy. Three hours and 40 minutes, 4.3 miles. We made it to the infamous, dangerous, famous Devil's Backbone Trail.
Mount Baldy is the tallest mountain in the Los Angeles County. It's located in the San Gabriel Mountains range, which is also part of the Los Angeles National Forest. Why the backpack, you asked? That's because I'm also training. Hopefully, I get to do Mount Whitney in the near future if I get lucky.
Have to do it one step at a time, slowly. No rush. It's only about 2 inches of snow, 3 inches. It's just no icy. It's a blanket. So we're good. So far so good. This is the part where it gets sketchy sometimes because it starts going up. When it's been snowing a lot, say 2-3 feet of snow, and it gets icy, then if you slip to one side or the other, look. That's why it's very dangerous. The other side too. It's a big drop. About 1,000 feet maybe, or more. You don't want to fall that way. And you get views 360. Right now on this side it's foggy, can't really see. All right, let's continue. The other side. Look at this tree. There you have it. Look at that. It was challenging, difficult. I cannot imagine this with 2-3 feet of snow or icy conditions. I would not try this on that case. This was hard because I had to watch every single step. I had to go slowly using my poles. Keep on going, like there you go.
See ya.
Yes, sir. It's nice to be young. It got very foggy. Can't see anything. That was very important, to have a map. Download your map in an application to have an idea where you're going. Because if you've never been here before and you find this, you're gonna get lost easily. So please be aware of that. This is my 4th time here, so I know the route. Still, I could get lost. I downloaded need to get to the top. 6 hours. Well, because of the braking and the video and all that. An average of 5 hours, 5:30. It's overcast. Hopefully it clears so we can show the view from the top. Can't see anything right now. Right. 10,064 feet of elevation. Whew. There you have it. This is it.